Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix please perform a Windows clean boot in your Roblox account. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, just go to the search section of your Windows and search here run, open it, and once you open it, what you need to do is just write down here ms config. And once you write down, click on OK or press enter. And basically you will be seeing a pop-up like this, system configuration. And from here what you need to do is just go to services, and once you're into the services, just click on hide all Microsoft services. And after that, all these services are selected which are currently running or stopped, so click on disable all of them. And once you disable all of them, after that just go to startup and click on open task manager. And once you're inside the task manager, you will be basically in this section called startup apps, and make sure that all these apps are disabled and none of them is enabled. As you can see, these are enabled. So if there is any application which is enabled, make sure to disable all of them. And after that, just make sure that you have enabled the Roblox player. And once done, what you need to do is just restart your PC or laptop and restart it. And once restarted, after that again open run and click enter msconfig and come back to this section called services. And now what you need to do is as you can see, like all of them are selected, so just click on enable all. And once you click on enable all, click on OK. And once you click on OK, hopefully your issue will be fixed and you will be able to play the Roblox in your PC or laptop.